Okay. So found another story, and it's like here we go again. So this one says state reports first human case of EEE in nearly a decade, and I never ever heard of EEE. So it says New York, New York State reported its first case of Eastern ecunine ecunine encephalitis in nearly a decade on Friday. This rare mosquito-borne virus was detected in Ulster County. The New York State Department of Health said the individual is hospitalized. It said, sounds very familiar. Let's see. The Ulster County Department of Health is currently investigating the case, which marks the first case of EEE confirmed in New York State since 2015, health officials said. Eastern EEE is a serious and fatal mosquito-borne disease with no vaccine. Wow. New York State Health Commissioner Dr. James McDonald said in a statement, even though temperatures are getting cooler, mosquito-borne illness are still a risk and New Yorkers must be cautious. Wow. The human case after a case the human case comes after a case of EEE was confirmed in a horse in Ulster County in August, the state health department said. Earlier this month, two emus in New York's Rensselaer County also tested positive for the virus, which does not spread directly from birds to humans, the department said. Here we go. Again. The latest human EEE case in New York brings the national tally to at least 11 so far this year, according to an ABC News tally. The national yearly average is 11, with most cases occurring in eastern or Gulf Coast states. Beyond New York, cases have been reported in at least 6 other states so far this year: Massachusetts with 4, New Hampshire with 2, and with 1 each, New Jersey, Rhode Island, Vermont, and Wisconsin. Between 2003 and 2023, and we go to threes, there have been at least 196 EEE cases reported in the U.S., including 106 hospitalizations and 79 deaths. The best way to prevent infection from disease is to prevent yourself from mosquito bites, including by using insect repellent, wearing long sleeve shirts and pants, treating clothing and gear, and take steps to control mosquitoes indoors and out. With the first confirmed human case of Eastern EE in Ulster County, I urge residents to take the recommended precautions to prevent mosquito bites and the risk of infection, Ulster County Executive Metzger said in a statement. Most people affected with EE do not show symptoms. For those who do, symptoms can include fever, headache, vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, behavior changes, and drowsiness, according to the U.S. Centers of Disease Control and Prevention. Approximately a third of all people who develop severe cases die. Go, just go. They just gone, according to the CDC. Wow. I knew that was going to happen because I had just seen a video where what is that one rich fool name? Not Bezos, not Jeff Bezos, not not Elon Musk, but what is his name? Gates? Yeah, oh, I can't ever think of his name. He's the one. Bill Gates. Bill Gates with his weird ass. He's the one with the that does what he do with the French fries with potatoes and sell them to restaurants. He grows his potatoes with corpses in this in the potato garden. He used corpses. So I seen a video, something where he was releasing all kind of different stuff in the air. He was dropping it from a high buildings. It was like it wasn't real stuff. It was like fake stuff, but it was. But if you know what you know, then you know. And then here we go with this shit. Cause he showed had a whole. He showed did it through some big old plastic. I mean, fake mosquitoes from a high building, from a high-rise building off a balcony. I can't remember if that was Minutes of Horror that made that video on YouTube, but I'm a look for it. But this sounds very, 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 very familiar from way back in uh this uh the last pandemic. So we gonna see. We're gonna see what's gonna happen with this. Now, their first case they said is in New York, and this is a little skeeter. So watch out for these little skeeters, because now they done infected a whole bunch of them and let them loose. Because they do that. That's what they do. They trying their best because they know that the time is up, and they trying everything in their power to keep their control and try to do what they want to do as far as their plan, as the NWO plan. But y'all, they've been planning this for decades, and it's so out of the ordinary on the things that they do and the things that they do, and now they trying their best to cog everybody head up with the diddler and the shit that's going on with them. I don't give a damn about what's going on with that motherfucker. I don't give a rat's ass. Fuck the diddler. Y'all need to pay attention to that broad and that dude who trying to run. But at the end of the day, they're all conjoined, connected, like Siamese twins, because that's just part of their agenda. And y'all need to wake up and see. And this probably gonna be a reason why no election, or they gonna try to make it to where they gonna the election may be canceled, or they gonna um do what they always do, because all the motherfuckers is already picked. I don't know why it's such a big deal on trying to get these people. And then I don't understand why I'm gonna vote for Trump. I ain't vote for. Don't vote for neither one of them. Cause I don't give a damn how many black girls or black women or black people Trump claim he cool with. At the end of the day, they all, him and Kamala, they own the both sides. Birds of a feather flock together. They don't give a damn about us. What they saying, what they gonna do is all lies. What president ever did what they said they was gonna do? So why do y'all keep believing? This is crazy. At the end of the day, vote nobody. That's what I say. But that's all for now. Thanks for listening. And y'all do y'all research on everything. Ask questions, just like um oh my goodness, what's it? Dan Calloway. I've been um binge watching his videos because I want to download his. I want to because I learned how to start sharing and making my own videos. So I want to start sharing and with these videos because they're very, 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 very educational. I emphasize very. Everything that I studied from the time I started my new spiritual journey, he's on point. Uh, the young elders on point. B. Dale, 1014 is on point. Ben Carson's on point. Dr. Phil Valentine, Rod Hayes. Oh, come on, y'all. Come on, everybody's trying to wake y'all up, and I'm up. I'm there, and I'm just trying to help, do my part. But this right here, don't y'all fall for that. Like freaking the other thing, because this is all part of their plan. Don't fall for it. Pay attention. Do your due diligence. Don't just run out and say, "Oh, I'm gonna get snow." You don't want to get that. You don't want. You don't want. Peace out. I'm out.